And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create a logo with a negative shape effect in Adobe Illustrator. It's just a quick one, it's easily done. Create some text. And I size it up holding Shift and Alt. You should first size it up and then play around with the distance between the lines over here. Let me show you what happens if I size it up again holding Shift and Alt. The space gets bigger. So find your letter space first and then the distance between the lines. For this example, that should be fine as a size. If you can't find that character menu, go to Window, then down to Type, and there you will find the character menu. You can just open it over there. Alright. Let us align it to the center, then right click and create outlines. Afterwards we'll add a rectangle and I hold Shift and I align it to the center as well. Let me size it up holding Shift and Alt, just a little bit, that's fine. You can change the color, for example to red, and that would work for some logos. But I wanted to show you how to create this negative space effect, and we'll select it all and use the shape builder to hold Alt and get rid of the shapes that overlap. I need to make the Y black again over here with the fill color. So it's a quick effect that works well when you've got a company that has initials that everyone knows. And that's it. Just a quick logo effect. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.